Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. Coreopsis, which is also known as tickseed, give you an absolute mass of flowers. So unless you're very keen, the best thing to do is wait till the balance has been tipped, that majority of it is looking scruffy, and at that point cut it right back hard. You can see here, if we did, there's all this young growth that would take over. It's a plant that grows from the base, so the best thing to do is cut it back to base. If you are very keen, if you just like the meditative effects of going out to do some tidying up, then by all means you can, but I said there's so many flowers on them normally it would take you forever. So if we've got one here, there's no point just chopping that off there, because there's no growth nodes there. Nothing's going to happen that other than that is going to go brown, and that's going to decay backwards, and sometimes that can just keep on going. It's just going to look messy, so there's no point doing that. What you're always doing is you're cutting back to something. With Coreopsis there's no point just cutting back to a leaf, it's not going to do anything for you. You're cutting back to just above the next bud that you can see. So you can do that there, and then we can see we've got these two buds here that are going to take over. I've got this bit here, we'll tidy that off as well. But I said it is quite keen to go through deadheading. I would only do that if you really do like going out to do that, and if you really just do want to have a tidy up, because the main way to do it is just let the majority of it go scruffy and then go all the way down hard. And you can see here's some that we have done already. It's only a couple of weeks ago. You can see where it didn't quite go incredibly hard down. There's still a bit there where it's gone brown, so that's the proof we have cut it down. It's not just a brand new plant, but it's already a huge load of regrowth on that, and this one you can see it is already starting to make some bud and flower. So it really is worth it. There's no point looking at a scruffy plant. Cut it back. The sooner you do that, the sooner you're going to get the nice new growth.